Hi legends, a little bit of pumpy action here from the price of Bitcoin. Can this momentum continue here to the upside? Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin. And remember, my favorite exchange that I use to do my daily trading is Bluffin. Link down in the description for the largest sign-up bonus. All you need is an email and a password, and it's a non-KYC option. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Right, legends, looking at the price of Bitcoin over here, it really does look like an impulsive structure. You can see that we have broken out of this trend over here. Okay, we have broken out of the trend, and this structure over here does look impulsive. And what do I mean by impulsive? So the one thing that I am looking at over here is to say that, legends, can I count 5 impulsive waves here to the upside? So from an Elliott wave perspective, yes, you can. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this looks like an ABC correction here to the downside, where we have an ABC. When we got to this level over here, legends, taking a normal flip here from the lows, okay, from the low to the high that we've made over here, you can see where exactly we bounced is considered a maximum target for a second wave here to the upside, where you have a bigger 1, 2, and you want to see an explosive third wave here to the upside. But just remember, this can also be an A, B, C, and we can go and have a look at the possible rejection areas here. Okay, but this can be the potential for a reversal here to the upside. I do see some nice green volume kicking in over here. So if you've missed this entry, I mean, this was the golden entry to catch over here. Also, when you take a fib extension from the highs to the lows to the high, we also tap the 1.618 together with the 0.618, and there's also a naked point of control that we tapped to perfection, and now we got the momentum here to the upside. So if you have FOMO, you feel that you've lost out on this trade over here, the levels that I'm watching over here is to say, legends, looking at, just clean it up over here, okay, looking at the structure, let's just clean it up. What I'm currently looking at when I switch on my analysis over here is for this support to hold over here. You can see it acted as resistance, okay, we finally broke through. We retested it as support, and then we lost the level. We retested it as resistance, and we found momentum to the downside. So I really want to see this area hold. Okay, so depending on what price action does over here, if we do come back down, okay, I want to see this level hold for support for continuation here to the upside. So definitely this area at $56,700, give or take, you know, give it a little bit of room from 56,600 to 56,800. This is the area that I would like to see hold for Bitcoin to continue the bullish momentum here to the upside. Also, when I take a fresh fib, okay, let's just take this fib out the way, and I take a fib from the pivot that we've made over here to whichever, you know, if we do move a little bit higher, I will simply adjust this trend. But you can see that we have confidence here with the 0.382 together with the naked point of control, and this area needs to hold as support. So if we do get a retracement back into this zone, this is where I will observe price reaction for potential long entry here back to the upside. Okay, some of the levels we need to watch for momentum here to the upside. Let's go here onto the 1 hour time frame. Is I am watching these levels. If this is a 1, 2, 3 here to the upside, an impulsive structure here to the upside, what I would like to see is a 1, 2, and the 1.618 is usually considered a minimum third wave target, but it can go down lower. And the 1.618 is here at $62,545. So there's definitely a potential here in the making that we can come back up to $62,500. Okay, if this is an A, B, C here to the upside, the 1-to-1 is a common C wave target, the 1.236, which has confluence with these highs over here. Also, then when I take a fib from the highs over here to the low that we've made over here, and then I try and find levels of confluence, is to say that if we are going to reject and find lower levels, where could we potentially reject over here? And the only levels of confluence that I do see inside of the structure, legends, is in the golden pocket between the 786 and the 618. This is where we have C wave targets, the 1.236 and the 1-to-1 ratio. So if we do find momentum here to the upside inside of the golden zone, when you take a Fibonacci from the highs to the lows that we've made over here, definitely this can still be a rejection zone. Okay, when you come to this larger time frame, which I'll show you on the 4-hour just now, this could definitely be a rejection for continuation to the downside, where you're most likely going to come and claim this low once again. So we need to pay attention. It's not guaranteed that we're going to hit the 0.88 over here together with the 1.618. Okay, the structure will start turning a little bit more bullish, legends. If we do come up here to the 1.618, there's definitely that possibility because you've tapped the 0.88. Okay, taking the fib from the highs to the lows, you do increase the probabilities that you can retrace to the 618 and continue the bullish momentum here to the upside to come and claim this high once again. Let's quickly zoom in here onto the 4-hour time frame just to show everyone where do I get this trend line from. Okay, so when I zoom out and just maybe switch off some analysis, clean up the chart over here. Okay, legends, so keeping it simple, I've got a momentum line that I've got drawn over here, okay, connecting the high with this little pivot over here. And if we do successfully break through here, and I want to see some nice green volume kicking in here, that we can have a retest for continuation here to the upside. And let's see how we react by this level over here, because this can definitely be a strong area of resistance where you fail to break through, you get acceptance back below, okay, for continuation here to the downside. Or we break through, we have a beautiful retest, we smash through with high volume, and we flip this area into support for continuation here to the upside to come and potentially even claim this high over here by $72,000. Okay, nothing is off the cards just as yet, legends. The question is this a reversal? Okay, where we're going to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for continuation back to the upside again? Or is this simply just taking the scribble here out the way? Okay, definitely a possibility as well, where people believe the price is reversing over here, where you have an A, B, C, and you reject and you find lower levels coming to claim the lows again. Okay, but there's definitely some scalping and trading opportunities inside of the structure here at the moment, like I've pointed out on the lower time frames. Thank you for watching, legends. If you'd like to be part of our trading community, where myself and Andy do daily live analysis like we did this morning on the price of Bitcoin, go check out the first link down in the description. And until the next one, cheers for now.